Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram login errors on your iPhone in 2025. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Next, check your internet connection. Instagram login errors often happens due to weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between them to see if it resolves the issue. Another important step is to verify your login credentials. Make sure your email or username and password are correct, and if you've forgotten your password, simply tap on Forgot Password. Then enter your email or username and then check your inbox for the reset link. After that, follow the prompts to log in again. If you're still facing issues, try clearing the app cache. On your iPhone, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Storage. Now, find Instagram from the list of apps and tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app. This refreshes the app without deleting your data, and after that, open the app, then log in again. Lastly, check device and account restrictions. Make sure your device isn't blocking Instagram and that there are no account suspensions. Logging out of other devices and then logging back in can also help. And that's all. Following these steps should fix any Instagram login errors and get you back on your account smoothly.